So guys, I just saw Zinzile's post on Instagram, and on that post she was stating that they finished shooting for season 2 of Gqeberha the Empire, and I'm here wondering, could this be the end of the show? Let's discuss this and more in this video, but first I need to request you guys to like this video, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do press the subscribe button. You can also support by scrolling down this channel to watch my previous videos. Enjoy this video. Guys, there are rumors that Gqeberha the Empire is coming to an end, and these rumors are fueled by the fact that the production for season 3 was paused, like it happened to Mubango, and actors also confirmed this, stating that their contracts have not been renewed yet. Ladies and gentlemen, I think I need to say this, and I believe that we all feel this way, it's just that no one is willing to say it. Gqeberha the Empire ended a long time ago when Bulera left the show. I mean, the show being cancelled have been long coming. Yes, it was great for the SNK to also be represented on our screens, but let's face it guys, it's not working. You know, if it's really a must to have a closer show on TV, then I think it's better for Gqeberha to create something new. They can even do that using the same cast members like ETV did when changing Black Door to Isita the Enemy. And I'm saying that because I believe that there's nothing wrong with the cast. The problem is in the way that the story is written. I think we enjoyed and understood Luzu and his polygamy, but after his death, everything just went south. I really think that Pictures need to just accept that this Gqeberha the Empire thing, and there's no way they can fix it. I mean, at first, I thought the problem was with them at the production house, but I then realized that these are the same guys who gave us The River, gave us Adulting, and recently Youngings and Champions. Those shows are great shows, and I'm certain that we can all agree on that one, which means that Patricia Tomakwarela and Gwen Benon are creative and they know what they are doing, so they cannot be the problem. Even actors of the show, as I've mentioned before, for instance, let's say Kubongile Mantai, I think we can all agree that Bongile is one of the greatest actors in SA, but when it comes to his Lumelo character there on Gqeberha the Empire, I just don't know. A lot is not going right there by that character, which is why I believe that they just need to stop it and come up with something new. And as usual, ladies and gentlemen, these are just my thoughts. So do comment on the comment section. Let me know, what do you think about Gqeberha the Empire recently, and what do you think about it being cancelled? So if you enjoyed content on this video, please do like this video, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share it on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even on your TikTok. So this is the end. Thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next one.